Welcome to MF Create.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. Today I've brought a very informative video for you all, which is about how we can use a pen tablet and our laptops and mobile phones, which we use in online learning platforms like Zoom and Microsoft Teams, etc. This pen tablet has really helped me in doing writing and mathematics directly from my computer screen. So let's begin. There are many available in the market, but I am reviewing the one I got. This product is Huion via the RAS. This is called Inspiroy Creative Pen Tablet. So let me show you what the package contains. A Pen Mitt. This saves our hand from slipping on the board and it helps us to write smoothly. Then the pen holder, which also has extra nibs to replace the lead to connect pen tablet to laptop or phone, USB connectors, C type and A type for phones, the pen tablet information booklets, the installation CD. You will need this one time for laptop, not needed for phone. The pen tablet board, this is where we will write. The control panel is also available on the board. Now let me show you how it works. First of all, we will connect the lead to pen tablet and the USB part to the laptop, where the tab mitt for smooth writing. Now you see, you write normally on the tab like you're writing on paper, and same will appear on the screens. This made it so easy for me to do my math, English and Urdu worksheets directly on screen. There are so many options to do freehand drawing or any shapes and pictures easily. We can use it on Zoom, Word, Notepad, Zoom, MS Teams, etc. and save the environment by not printing everything that has to directly submit it in soft copy. Now let me show you how you can connect the tablet to your mobile phone. You can take any two connectors, A type or C type, depending on your phone. You don't need any installation. As soon as you connect it to the phone, it automatically gets installed. You can start working. Here again, you can do all kinds of writing and drawings just like you would do on a paper. It's a really convenient way of working, especially in these times of lockdown when we are taking online classes and doing all kind of writings and math on screen. Hope you liked my video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel to view more information videos. Do press the bell icon to get notifications for all my new videos. Thanks for watching.